Yeah. Today I'll just write it on the Excel sheet itself. So as per the Excel sheet, how does it? You guys aware what is scenario? What is test case? What is test scenario and what is test cases? What is a scenario? So generally when you're discussing with somebody, you'll be like, in this scenario, this is what happens, then we can predict this. If this scenario happens, here we won't get that part to be added or something. Like we will be discussing scenarios, the multiple ways. On a simpler note, you wanted to travel back to Odisha or you wanted to travel back to Ayodhya. So that is a scenario you wanted to go back to that. That is one of the flow you wanted to test. The number of ways we have. You can go by train, you can go by car, you can go by bike, you can go by like airplane, or you can go by chopper, whatever. You have a multiple ways is there. No, these multiple ways are scenarios. Number of phases are there. These are the scenarios. This is like we're calling it is like one-liner statement. Okay, one-liner statement. Verify one particular button, verify one particular feature. You will write verify the phone number, verify the email ID, verify the login button, verify the cancel button. So this is a scenario that you're going to test the number of ways. That is also comes all the different scenario. The test case is nothing but it is a step-by-step document. So it shows the step-by-step document. So like each steps how you have to do test that scenario, how you have to follow that as a test case. Here, scenarios says like what to be tested and how to be tested. What to be tested means particularly what feature I wanted to test, what and all the scenarios I have to cover, like how to be tested. So you can test using a document, you can test using a design. So this is all the ways how to be tested and what to be tested. Scenario test cases. Okay. So when most of the time, like whenever you receive a document, so first you will be drafting the scenarios. You'll be drafting a test scenarios first. So in detail, you will not write the test cases at once. Okay. So in detail only you will write after this. And if you wanted to add one more points like uh, test scenario inherited from or prepared from using SRS document. Test cases will be written using test scenario. Okay, this is the overall. So when you go to an in a tool, in most of the tools, so you'll be having three things like serial number by default, it will be there. And then, so you'll be having a actions or actions. So generally you will consider like an action itself. So whatever the action is happening, so that expected result, and we'll be having remarks or status. Okay. In our tool, actions expected result, there is something called precondition. Before doing a testing, so what's your precondition? That precondition should be true. This is a scenario. If I run it, okay, this comes with this one, which will not be able to play. This is the step, whatever the action we have mentioned, and this is the expected result. If you have any of the precondition, it will show. So this also you don't need. You go with the defining only. Steps, actions, expected results. So here we follow attachments. Okay. This is attachment, and before that, so here generally we'll be having a step called precondition. So even you can alter these things, whatever you have written. So based on this, you will start writing. Okay. So for which application we will write test case now? Any application suggestion? Application. No, don't prefer to go with these kind of applications, social media and all. No, always go with the PhonePe or Google Pay. So if not, you can go with the e-commerce. You will get number of students. Open your PhonePe. Just high level I'll help you to. If you find it difficulty, we can go with very normal like the pen or okay. Today we'll write it for pen or we'll write it for AC. So because it is like not useful, like just for your understanding only I'll write. Okay, high level I'll write just for your understanding. So if you are writing a test scenario for a pen, if you are writing a test scenarios for a pen, so you can come across by holding a pen out all the scenarios you can come across, like verify the cap, verify the body, verify the bottom roller, verify the refill, and verify the nib. So all these things you will be rating for all of these things. So if you segregate like a smoke functionality integration, so if I am writing it for smoke, so what is the smoke scenario? What is the basic and critical functionality? verify the net is working. Right, it's an ABS working fine. You can check. Then you can go with verify the refill. It's of no use, right? When you don't have any, yeah, when for refill, but if you don't have a, you can't write it. Same way. Contains ink or not, then any other. Without the body, you can write. Without the bottom row, you can write. You can write it by using it. This is a smoke scenario. When it comes to a functional, is functional testing.
Testing its every component against requirement specifications.
So like each and everything we have to test. So verify the cap. Scenarios. I'm only writing the scenarios. Then verify the bottom roller. Then verify the body of the pen. Then verify the nib. Refill. Verify the refill. Verify the. You said something. Verify the nib pen. No. All these things you can write. No. Cap, body, bottom roller, gripper is there. No gripper. It's fine. That you can. This many functionality. Now integration. What is integration? Testing.
In the flow. Data flow between two features.
So we need a module. We need minimum of 2 modules. Test the data flow. So in the integration. So here integration. Body. So bottom roller to a body. Then refill to a bottom roller. Then refill to a nib. And you can consider link to a nib. Integration, incremental integration testing, refill, bottom roller, body. So you can increase all of it. Increasing the modules. Verify with cap and pen. By with bottom roller with body of the pen. Then verify refill body, refill with pen body. Incremental integration also you can write. Now go to system. Okay, before that we have written small functional integration. What is system testing?
Business flow.
Hmm.
In feature.
Definition. Definition. So like say correctly, na, where we navigate through all the features of application and checking the end feature is working fine. Correct? So here, what is the system scenario? So whether it can write or not, that's all. No need to check the integration, no need to check the functionality. So not the negative scenarios, I'm writing, system writing the positive for your understanding, like how it will be. So this and all, I did not tested the whole feature of it. This is the system. So whether the customer or user can able to write or not, that's all. Then what we discussed, user acceptance is not approved. Okay, this is how you will be drafting as per the type of a testing. You will be start writing the test cases or test scenarios for that. Okay, then if you take, I'll just clear this out. So open your phone page. We'll try writing for them. She will come across with more number of scenario with phone pay. The high level. You guys open. What do you guys see when you open in phone pay? You just clicked on. So there is a precondition we can confirm, like the user should be logged into the phone pay using his number. So that process is done because now we are already on the page. Okay, now you come across with there is a money transfer section. In that money transfer section, we have a two mobile number. Next, we have two bank or UPI ID, two self account or a check balance. So this is the feature we see. So we can high level write, verify the two mobile number, verify two bank or UPI ID, verify two self account, verify two check balance. Fine, these are the scenarios. So then this is a positive scenario which I said. Then you can come across with verify two mobile number by entering invalid number. Verify two mobile number by entering a valid number. Verifying two mobile number by entering like unrecharged or which is not linked to any bank. Verify the two mobile number by entering 8 digits, verifying two mobile number by entering 11 digits. Negative, positive, negative scenarios, which I am writing. The test case is nothing but how you going to test it. Same when you click onto the verify two mobile number we have written, right? For that, if you wanted to press it, what happens? It will go inside and on top of you can see that send money and below that in the section it is showing start a new payment from here or select search any contact or search any mobile number. This is all the things it is showing. Then if you come down, if you would have used the split, so it will show split new expenses and then it will show the number of transaction which is happened. If not, if you come down, there is a button called new payment, correct? So where you wanted to do it, new payment, if you click also, then you'll go new phone number, then you type it and search it. That is how we're going to. So this is the flow is there, no? This navigation flow is test case. With the data we enter now, the positive. Entering this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we are entering the negative like 0, 0, 0, 0. With the data is test case. Scenario is nothing but all about the navigation flow, multiple scenarios. So if you write one of it, test the scenario. Mobile number field. Okay. Verify the two number field, FIELD. That is a field now. So once you click, what happens? Then for now, we'll write one field, then we can go with one of the number. What is the action you are going to do here? Now, in the precondition, we'll write user should be logged into phone pay application. Then only you can see that, right? Otherwise, first you have to do your registration process. This is a precondition. It must be done. This precondition must be true. Okay? It must be true that and all you will be writing. So before testing any of the thing, you will be saying like precondition must satisfy. Then only we can test. Okay, precondition. So actions. So where we start. So once you click on the phone pay icon, so it is landed on the money transfer page, right? Then you can take what you'll do, navigate to raise that, navigate to mobile numbers. So you are navigating to a two mobile number. What happens when you click, or you can mention click on to mobile number? What happens once you click?
Money page should be displayed.
User is able to click and send money.
Page should be displayed.
Able to see some page. So like some people will not understand this. What we will do, we will give an attachment for them. So we'll take the screenshot of it and you will show. Okay. Once I click it, this is the page which will be displayed. There you can take a reference of it. Okay. And then, so under this, so click on to mobile number so that you just verify you have mentioned. Na? Here you have to go ahead na, further. So where you want to go next? Then don't use any of the click on new payment button. It is there, right? What happens once you click? User is able to click new payment button and able to see or weave to there's a different page name, right? For you people, it is showing like select contact. Huh? For me, it is showing to contact.
New one.
No, above.
Select contact.
I think the applications have been updated. Recently updated, yeah. So there will be a change. Okay. Able to see to contact page. So positive flow we are going. Second scenario, second test case, and then there is a new number, no? Click on new phone number. What happens?
User is able to see and that mobile.
You will able to click and able to see my mobile number field and with recent transaction contact number. Correct. Which is all there, no? Okay. So this feature, maybe the version is differs from phone to phone. So clicking on it, it is showing the type mobile number and under that the contact details which I recently transferred. No, it is not. I did not share to them. Okay. It is displaying alphabetically the contact details by mentioning UPI on the tag. Is there any number which is not present in the phone pay or something? Yes, there are the number who are not enrolled. No, I feel.
No, sir.
All the numbers are enrolled, na?
No, sir. Someone not know.
Pakka? Yeah. So then it will show then not so user is able to click and able to see the type mobile number field where contact name and number on alphabetical. Then no. Then here we came, clicked on it, and it is showing. Now again, there is one more thing. New phone number is there for me, and if I click onto it, it will display this. This is done now. Then, if I want to choose, I can search. No, I cannot search with a number. I can search with a number. Okay. So enter your self number and it will display the number by highlighting this type. Self number, enter your numbers. That's fine. This is one of the scenario. Okay, this is a negative scenario finally. No, don't select your select some other numbers whom you everyday transaction. Suppose this as mothers. Okay. So here what you're doing, next thing is searching required number or a valid number. No, we can't search through name, na?
You can see. If
No, but the so I'm not getting a keypad, alpha keypad. I'm only getting the number. I'm not getting, no?
They are saying if the contact is already saved.
So what you do?
New number.
Okay, there is a new phone number. Click onto it, and there you will be displaying this only. So you must enter only the phone number. Okay, search the valid number. It's a valid number and select. That's what you do now. I searched. What is happening? So even the selection also will be doing in the next one. Search the enter the valid number. Just you're entering the number now. Automatically it is coming, right? Yes. Enter the valid number. Then what is happening? User is able to enter. User is able to enter the number and contact details displays with name number. Anything else we need to done? Enter the two mobile number field. Yes. Then click onto it and check the recent transactions or something. So you goes back to the page of the particular contact details. Particular contact details page you will reach. So there you can see the remaining transactions of all of it. Correct, no? So it's nothing but you verified that flow. Or just you can enter it and you can mention like what is happening with this two field also you can do. Okay, what is the behavior of a two API? What is the behavior of two self account? So just for the verify the two mobile number field. So then you can go with another verify. So what is the behavior? Clicking on it, what happens? It is showing the bank accounts, UPI ID, UPI number, and there is a search account. I mean, like searching, you can search the bank account, UPI ID. So if you have UPI number, you can mention. So we did not activate, it is only showing for the two. So then add beneficiary account and you can complete the process. Add the UPI account and you can complete the process. See, when it comes to a banking application, the mobile, like this NBFC accounts and all, how many scenarios? It is like so many things you have to test. It is not all about only bank accounts. What type of bank accounts? Whether all the nationalized, state-based, and normal accounts and all corporations and all will be there. No, that also you should be trying. When you go to an UPI ID activated, you will be having minimum 2-3 UPI IDs. One will be activated and remaining all will not be activated. Even that also you can test it. And there is a UPI number. See, for that, just to test that one field, you come across these many scenarios. Then we have to write a test scenarios for all of it. Otherwise, we will miss all of this. Correct? So when you better, if you plan for a check balance, this is easy. If you go for the check balance, there, whatever the account you have attached or number of accounts you are attached, it will show accounts on UPI. For me, it is showing, and prepaid balance it is showing. If you click on accounts on API or like UPI, by clicking on it, you can do the check the balance and the simple flow. Just try from your end. Meantime, I'll just complete my form. Okay, we'll continue with that.